To perform a diagnostic waveform capture, enter the main menu by pressing the right arrow key. Scroll down to Special Functions and hit the right arrow key to access this menu. Scroll down to Capture WF, hit the right arrow key to access the selection, press the up or down arrow key to change to yes, and press the check button to start the Capture Waveform function. The Capture Waveform status will flash working for approximately 30 seconds. When complete, the meter will prompt you to insert your USB. Do so only after this appears. When you insert your USB, the meter will download the waveform data automatically. Once it says done, you may remove your USB. Consult with ONICON support for analysis and suggested next steps.